Issue 26 in our journey through battle games in Middle-earth has us creating roads for our battlefield and includes a fantastic metal Faramir miniature to paint. The magazine opens with a look at the Rangers of Gondor and their lord Faramir. I didn't actually realise that Denethor was even a playable character, but his miniature looks great. He actually comes with issue 57, so just another 30 issues to go before I can actually add him to my collection. We also get a few more profiles, including King Elisar. With Andúil, Flame of the West, he never needs to roll higher than a 4+, and you can completely kit him out with heavy armour and a horse for maximum impact. Looks like really good value for points to me. We're also introduced to a new rule, Volley Fire, which I think does a great job of representing that kind of massed archery tactic on the battlefield, and it's a tactic that might come in handy in the coming battle game. The battle game this issue is Ambush in Ithilien, where Faramir leads his rangers into an orc column marching north to the Black Gate. The magazine even includes some ranger cutouts for the game, and I have to say these models look fantastic. Probably another set for my growing wish list. Next, we move on to painting Faramir. The full instructions on how I painted him are in a separate video, which is linked up about here maybe? I actually think the magazine's version of Faramir looks great here. Up until now, a lot of the painting guides in the magazines have been quite basic. Presumably it's to ease in those new players, but this one feels like a real step up, so I'm really hoping that that continues. I also wanted to push my speed painting method further this time, so I was experimenting with ways to replace the oil wash stage. I was also pretty pleased with myself for how the silver embossed tree on his chest turned out. Moving down the road, quite literally from painting to modelling, this issue focuses on creating roads and pathways. Again, I create a separate video on how I would create 6 different roads to represent different areas of Middle-earth. Again, I'll link that up about here. It was a fun project for me and I really enjoyed working out how to create the different looks. If you check out the stream video, that shows you how to make some curves, and you can really then use the techniques that we do in the roads and the stream layout, so you can make a modular road system that you can use on pretty much any board that you want. And that takes us to the end of magazine 26. In the next issue on our journey, we'll paint up some Uruk-hai siege troops and model some palisades for a fort, and we'll craft up some siege equipment too. A huge welcome to Ian Plant, our latest patron supporter, so say hello to Ian down below. Also, please subscribe to join me on this journey, and thank you to all my other patrons for your support. It really means a lot, and to everyone who comments and shares. Again, those things really help out the channel as I'm trying to grow it. Until next time, see you later. Okay, that's that done.